Intro. Welcome to Word Insights, where we explore the meaning and usage of interesting words. Today, we're going to experience the word gust. It's a word that's closely associated with the power of the wind. Let's divine. Meaning. A gust is a brief, strong burst of wind. It's a sudden, forceful rush of air that can be powerful enough to sway trees, blow dust, or make your hair flutter. Gusts can occur during storms, as well as on windy days. Pronunciation. Pronounce gust as street, rhyming with rust. Use in a sentence. 1. A strong gust of wind nearly knocked over the umbrella. 2. The storm brought powerful gusts that rattled the windows. Synonyms. For similar meanings, you can use words like blast, breeze, squall, or wind surge. Conclusion. That concludes our exploration of the word gust. It's a term that captures the dynamic force of the wind, often making its presence known with a sudden burst. Thanks for joining us, and may you enjoy the beauty and power of nature's gusts from a safe and comfortable vantage point.